Welcome. If you want to set up screen lock in your Xiaomi Mi 10T, at the first you have to go for the settings, then we have to scroll down and find the lock screen. We have to go for the passwords and the security, then go for the screen lock. Select one of the following. I will go for the pattern, read the description, and after a few seconds we can click that we got it. Draw out the pattern, draw it one more time and click confirm. We don't want to add the fingerprint, we can just simply lock the device right now and unlock by swiping and inputting the pattern. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.